gentlemen. I'm your host Bhavya, a sophomore from the Department of Metallurgical Engineering. Have you ever thought of relieving stress, releasing unexpressed emotions using an art form? The arts provide the opportunity to explore our inner inspirations and depths, and not surprisingly, psychologists seems to have an artistic idea about art form. So, keeping this in view, the Fine Arts Club, in collaboration with Student Counseling Services, is organizing a workshop on emotional well-being through mandala art. I welcome you all to this workshop. As a feel-good factor today, we have gathered here to explore ourselves through a unique art and meditative practice called mandala art. What we're really hoping is that this workshop will help you unwind, unwire, de stress, and relax. And you will take back a unique technique that will discover your inner energies and patterns to bring peace and tranquility. To help us in this mindful experience, we have an expert, Miss Ranjani Rao ma'am, with us. Hello, ma'am.
Hi everyone, good evening.
Welcome to this virtual session. Ranjani ma'am works in the field of design thinking workshops for skill building, innovation, creativity, and problem solving. She integrates holistic life design solutions like energy management, metaphysics, mandala art, and NLP practices. She is a facilitator with Focus U, a postgraduate diploma holder in psychology counseling, TA 101 practitioner, Reiki grandmaster, and several other modalities that led to mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual well being. She has a venture called Srishtivata Healing Arts that focuses on well being and wellness through spiritual healing practices and helps transform people's lives. She has transformed, coached, and counseled over 5,000 of people in her 5 year stint as a founder through her workshops, products, and services. She started channeling healing mandala arts and she conducted in depth research on mandalas to understand their significance in their whole brain, metaphysics, sacred geometry, and healing arts. She wrote a unique book, Blueprint Your Life's Design with Mandalas, which you can find on Amazon and publishing.com. And you can find more about her on www.ranjanirao.com. Hello, ma'am. We wholeheartedly welcome you to this session. And I would also like to say that we also have here Mr. Shashwat Agarwal. Uh, he's a member of Happy Minds team. Welcome, Shashwat Bhaiya. And yeah, we welcome you all to this session. And now I wholeheartedly invite Miss Ranjani ma'am to take over the session.
Thank you so much, Mekhala. And it's a pleasure to host you all, co-host you all, IIT folks from Varanasi. How are you doing this evening? Yes, Sarvanshi, can we go with you first? Like, what did you discover? Yes.
Yeah, okay. I actually felt peace and calm while making all these patterns and making drawing with colors. So I'm like going to complete it now.
Awesome. Would you like to share any thoughts which were coming to you? Did you think of a goal when you started this?
Yes, actually I started with a goal, but in the somewhere made I got lost in the patterns itself. I don't remember what I
Ishwari,
Yes, yes.
ma'am, I started this mandala art, and firstly, I was thinking of keeping it simple,
Mm-hmm.
but then I got drawn into it, and I started attempting a slightly difficult pattern, and I realized that I tried to go ahead of myself and try all sort of difficult things, and it takes a lot of time, energy, concentration, and due to that I couldn't color it. Means time was short, and there was something that I wanted to add but couldn't add.
Okay, so if you had some more time, would you have added it and colored it?
uh, Ma'am, I'm not sure I would have colored it, but yes, I would have done it with a bit more perfection and more preciseness. And I
Okay.
think I wasn't ambitious enough to color it, but yes, I wanted to have do the strokes perfectly, and not so haphazardly that I have done.
Okay, thank you for sharing. But one thing Ishwari would like to ask, in life also, can you see correlations? Are you a person who likes challenges, difficult stuff, and say bring it on and try to do things
Yes,
perfectly?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I try to achieve that perfection, but sometimes I do lack in focus.
So, how would you assure yourself that whatever has come out there in front of you is an amazing expression? And it's like, how would you pacify yourself and not beat yourself up? What is the one thing that you
Ma'am,
would tell yourself?
I I will try for more realistic goals and
Lovely.
plan it properly so that even if it is not complete or it is not as much as I had dreamt of, it is something that I can be proud of at the end.
Amazing. So, would you like to put on the mandala, I'm proud of myself as an affirmation? That's what it's trying to tell you.
Yeah,
Yes.
ma'am. Now you can see this.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, I used to draw mandala, but due to we were having busy schedule, I'm not able to do this. But yeah, when we do mandala, it really works like therapy. You don't need to when you are doing, nothing comes in mind. Just go with the flow, and doing this actually works like therapy.
Like therapy. So, you felt therapeutic after a long time.
Yeah, ma'am. Really, you can say. And actually, I drew for the first time, I draw in a time constraint. Otherwise, that's why I'm not able to complete this, but I will complete it for sure.
Yes, and I would be happy to share you some of the designs that you can color and
Yeah,
relax
ma'am.
yourself.
Sure. It
Thank
was
you.
really great working after a long time.
Lovely. My pleasure. It was our pleasure. And I think we should thank the fine arts team to take quick action on making this workshop happen.
Ma'am, it was great experience learning with you.
Most welcome. My pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone else wants to share, folks? Or we are at
Started with the thinking I will do free art type something, but
yeah,
I
Drashti. Yes.
unfortunately draw typically a geometrical one. Means I'm not willing to draw any geometrical shape, but you can
Oh,
see
how lovely. This is what you meant by
so
3-9.
3 and 9 dots. That's an odd number. So how I can draw petals and all? I'm thinking like then I ask you to would I can draw triangle and all. Then suddenly triangle, and then I started with triangle, and then this
You
happened
have
by
drawn
itself. I
sacred
didn't put
geometry.
any effort.
Yes, you have drawn sacred geometry. Everything is in alignment. And then see your confusion will just vanish because you have 3 goals, 3 things, 9 days maybe, or 9 items or tasks to do. If you put it in numbers, now you see you can achieve it and it is measurable. Is that making sense to you?
Yes, ma'am, making sense.
Were you surprised by this?
Yes,
what
ma'am.
came up?
Means it's just a random experiment type thing to me.
Yeah.
IIT Devi, you all have to do that.